Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Char and welcome back to my channel. Coming in today with this video because I am one of the crafters that is in the One Word collab hosted by Janscrazylife and TinasCraftyLife. And I'm sure you know because I'm sure you've been watching some amazing projects coming out of this collab. This is the first week. It will go on for 4 weeks and it's about 30 of us, I believe, 30 or 31. So each week Jan or Tina will give us a word and we'll take that word and we'll create something. The first thing that comes to our mind, we'll create. So with that being said, this week's word was book pages. So these pages that you see that are here now came out of a book that I was doing for another collab of Jan's, the Altered Halloween Swap. This book I had made many errors on, so I had to go out and get a new book, but I didn't want to toss the book away because she has a Christmas swap coming up, which you guys should join. They have some amazing collaborations. That's all I can say. That's it. That's all. And I love them. I do. So what I came up with was the first thing that hit me, because I've been wanting to learn how to do this technique. At my craft fairs every year, there's plenty of vendors, and basically we all, the same people, all of us are the same that come around. Sorry, I'm searching for words here, but it's the same people that come every year, and you get to know them, and they get to be your friends. But there's one particular vendor. She does book art, and I am so fascinated with that. So when Jan came up with the concept of, well, the word book page, that's the first thing that hit my mind. So I'm like, it's time for you to get involved in this. So the book that I had, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to show you what I did. Now, bear with me. I am a beginner, but trust me, I'm loving this here. I'm finna, your girl finna just be like, yeah, I'm about to get it. You hear what I'm saying? But this is the beginner. Can you see this heart? Oh my God. I just love it, right? Please, please tell me, you guys. Tell me that you love this. Tell me that you love this. And I thought it was going to take a long time, but it didn't. And you had to use a little math, which math does not like Sparkling Char. I'll tell you that much. But that's okay. Because, hey, today, and I did this today, a couple of hours ago, I got to go get me some more books from the Dollar Tree. I really do. And how you do it is that you have to divide numbers and stuff to get the total number of pages based on whatever the pattern is. This is called a basic heart pattern. And I found this from Love Book Folding. I'm going to link it in the description bar below because I think you guys would love doing this. This is so nice. I can't wait to get into the alphabet part of this. Oh my God. So I'm going to, her name is Marie. I'll link it down below. Marie Christensen, I want to say. Please, I don't want to kill her name because this lady is awesome. Marie Christensen, I think that's what it is. But anyhow, I'm going to go to her Etsy shop and get the pattern for the butterfly. And I'm going to do the butterfly. This was a free pattern that she gave you to try the technique out. And she gives you like 7 quick little steps. Y'all, I'll link it down below because I'm just running off because I'm so excited about how this turned out. And, yeah, this is one of my newfound loves. Oh, my God. Oh, I really love how this turned out. I hope you guys like it because this is for you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. So what I'm going to do, I was thinking when I was getting ready to do this video, I had a stamper, but I think I want to use my Spectrum Norm marker, and I want to like highlight the pages, and I want to see how that's going to turn out. So let's see how this is going to turn out, guys. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty pink. So I'm going to go with the pink. And while you guys are on film with me, I'm going to, hold on. So if I mess up, it'd be my fault. But I just thought about, oh, it's pretty because you can really see the detail of it, but I just want to add a little color to it. I don't want to do too much. I'm light stroking this now. Oh my God, I am loving this. Oh, how adorable is this? So guys, I've been seeing some amazing creations going on with this one word collab. Please look in the description box below. And I know it's a lot of us, but just go to the channels and give support. And because this is awesome. Jan, I love you, girl. You and Tina. You always coming up with some very good stuff. Because that Halloween book really took me out of my comfort zone. Yes. Yes, it did. Yep. Okay, guys. So I think this is it. This technique was so nice. And then with this here, I needed like the pattern to tell you how many pages you need in a book. Like it said, I needed 216 pages. So, and when I did the math, I had to have 75 pages left. And I put 30, I don't know what I did with the top for that. But anyway, oh, excuse me, I'm talking so much. I'm so excited. I put 38 on this side and 37 on this side, which had me a total of 75 pages left. So, let's see how this turned out, because it's looking good. Oh, it looks so cute. I could have went a little darker, but I was afraid. I was scared, but oh, how cute is that? Oh. Anyway, guys, I'm going to link everything below, but I'm just so super excited about this here collaboration, and especially this one word book pages, because it really made me think that I wanted to do this, and it pushed me to do this. So Jan and Tina, thank you guys so much, and I look forward to doing more collaborations with you guys. You guys are wonderful, and remember to always sparkle, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.